Yeah, there's a nucleus, there's a nucleus.
Huh. Like, can we switch from 9 to 10? So what are those like oil droplet looking things?
Those like oil droplets, don't they?
Now there are these like spherical balls around the edges, and they could be any number of things, but kids think they might be fat, like lipid, and the embryo starts forming like the asymmetry, like you see things move to different areas of the cell.
It makes a hollow shell inside.
And then your inner gut cavity now.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto I-880 South.
So a totally new type of cell no one's ever seen before.
So we don't know where it comes from, neither does anyone else.
Take a slight right turn, then keep left.
Every time you open one of them. Okay, day 11. Day 11 didn't really like look that different to me.
Day 12.
Keep left to merge onto I-880 South toward San Jose.
Day 13, there's all this brightness at the bottom in the upper left-hand corner.
These could be epiblast cells.
Can you remind me again, the epiblast is?
That is the cell type from which the entire body eventually emerges.
Gis says those are the cells that all of the body comes from. Like all the other stuff is mostly just support.
Oh wow! So it's like the primordial
It's
cells.
foundational cells. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I actually got there on day 13 of the experiment, so all of the embryos were just sort of waiting to get to... spit back out into the real world.
Are they learning fantastically new, amazing things based on this? Are they?
Well, like the big takeaway that both of the groups had was that this embryo grew for another week without any maternal input, and it grew basically as it should have grown.
Which was mind-blowing to me and to all of my colleagues, that the human embryo will behave in a self-organizing manner, in a complete absence of maternal input, at least for 14 days.
Like, I think they always thought, even if they got the chemistry right, there'd be some sort of system breakdown because it wasn't getting input from the mom.
Interesting.
I always keep thinking of it as like the anti-Mother's Day message. The embryo doesn't need you. Happy Mother's Day. But the one pro mom thing is
Oh, fucking shit, man.
In 6.7 miles, take exit 21 onto CA84 West and Dakota Road toward Dumbarton Bridge.
Whoa.
This is the part that always
The
cool.
fuck,
Like,
man?
they saw that the embryo started
You
forming
doing, bro?
tunnels and pathways for the mom to like infiltrate.
Yeah.
So there were little tubes and pathways that formed where like nerve
Fucking piece
attachment
of
could
shit.
happen.